Hello my fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. As always, I greatly appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching my videos, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. It all helps tremendously. So today we are going to be working on this beautiful pattern. I don't know if there's a name for it. There might be, but I'm not really sure. It's relatively easy to make. You're just repeating a few rows, and as you see, it comes out beautifully. So let's get started. So to begin this pattern, chain an odd number of chains. Can be any number depending on what you're making. Obviously, if you're making a blanket, you're going to want a lot longer chain. If it's a scarf, you don't need that many, but whatever you need, it has to be an odd number. For your first row, single crochet into the second chain from the hook and into every single chain until the end of your chain. So your first row is just a row of single crochets. So here you're going to chain one, turn, and for the second, third, and fourth rows, you're going to single crochet into the back stitch only, back loop only, sorry. So you're going into the very first stitch and put a single crochet into the back loop, and you do the same for the rest of the row, and you do the exactly same thing for two more rows after this. So row 2, 3, and 4, it's a single crochet into a back loop only. So this is what it should look like after you have done 4 rows. So for the 5th row, you're going to chain 1 and turn, and you're going to put a single crochet into the very first stitch, and then you're going to skip 1 stitch and put a single crochet into the next. And now we are going to be doing puff stitches into that little space that goes right under the skipped single crochet. So you yarn over once, twice, 3 times until you have 7 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through 6 loops until you have 2 left. Yarn over again and pull through the rest. So that's your puff stitch. So you're going to skip next stitch again and single crochet into the one after that, and we're going to repeat the puff stitch. So that's your skip single crochet, and then you're going to in the space under it with your puff stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through all the loops except for the last one, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops, and you keep repeating this pattern till the end. So after every puff stitch you skip a stitch, single crochet, and then you go in with a puff stitch. So that's your skipped single crochet, and you're going under it. and you should finish the row with just a single crochet. And this is your 5th row, the first row of puff stitches. So for the 6th row, we chain 1 turn and we repeat the previous row. So you put a single crochet into the very first stitch, then skip 1 and single crochet into the next. And now we start with the puff stitches. And you do the same pattern as in the row, previous row, all the way to the end. So now this is what the pattern should look like, and from this point you're going to repeat the previous 6 rows. So you're going to start with a row of just single crochets, which is your row 2, and then after that you're going to do 3 rows of single crochets into the back loop only, and then you're going to repeat the 2 rows of puff stitches. So again, you're just repeating those rows exactly in the same way. There you go. It should look exactly the same. And now you're going to start with a row of puff stitches, but just the same repeat. And this is it. You will end up with an absolutely gorgeous blanket or whatever it is you're making with the just beautiful puff stitches. And as you see, it's not as hard as it might look. It's relatively simple, so enjoy this pattern, enjoy your project, and again, thank you so much for watching.